Imagine running your business with an intelligent assistant ready to help you every day, every hour. That's the promise of Microsoft 365 Copilot, the AI that transforms how small businesses work. Microsoft Copilot is not just technology, it's your new teammate. Built into familiar apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, Copilot turns your own words into actions. Ask a question, summarize a report, draft an email, or get instant insights from your data just by chatting. For small business owners, it means fewer hours wrestling with tedious tasks and more time for what matters. Let's start with Copilot Chat, the free AI assistant included in many Microsoft 365 business subscriptions. With no extra cost, you can streamline your workload right now. Need to answer a policy question before a meeting? Paste in the document, and Copilot finds the key points. Want to write a customer email, but feel stuck? Type a few details, Copilot drafts it in seconds. Copilot even suggests ideas for your next marketing campaign, or breaks down complex numbers from your spreadsheets, all in a secure, private environment. But there's more. The full, paid Microsoft 365 Copilot supercharges your experience. It intuitively connects with your company's files, emails, and chats, offering tailored answers using your business context. Imagine drafting a proposal that pulls in relevant research from your SharePoint, auto-summarizing yesterday's team meeting in Teams, or instantly finding exactly what you agreed to in a client contract, without copying, pasting, or searching. With security and privacy you can trust, this upgrade puts advanced AI at the heart of your workflow, while respecting your permissions and keeping your data safe. Upgrading is easy. Just add Copilot licenses to your qualifying Microsoft 365 account. The new features appear automatically, with built-in guidance to get you started. To make the most of Copilot, start small. Try it for meeting notes, draft communications, or data reviews. Tap into Microsoft's training and prompt galleries for fresh ideas. Build a culture of experimentation and celebrate quick wins. After a few weeks, assess your results. Are you saving hours? Is communication clearer? Are clients happier with faster responses? The answers will reveal Copilot's ROI for your team. Copilot is more than a tool. It's the edge that empowers small businesses to think bigger, move faster, and deliver better. Step into the future of work. Try Copilot Chat today and see how AI can lighten your load and elevate your business to new heights.